Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix a disc tray that won't read anything. I'm trying to play Halo 4, so alright, I'm going to pause the video right here. Alright, yeah, right here guys, it'll say open tray and Halo 4, it's not that scratched. I was playing it last night. And what you're gonna want to do is get a DVD, any kind of DVD. I just found the first DVD, and I'm gonna put it in. And it's gonna read. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video real fast, but yeah. Alright, and now if it says open tray, what you're gonna want to do is you're just gonna want to go out and push it back in. It sometimes does that. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video here. Alright guys, and it's reading it right now. And then you're just gonna leave it on for a few seconds. Yeah. Alright. And now I'm gonna go back, take it out, and then put this in, and then it should read it. It took me 2 tries, I just didn't record the second try. Right there guys. Yeah, so that's how you fix your Xbox 360 unreadable disc. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna try to find more things to help you with your Xbox, playthroughs, and yeah. Alright, so later guys.